Hey, we're at 1300 Seagrave. I'm Chris Weitzel, owner of Chris Seafood, and today we're making just one of my favorite products to integrate a new bagel that we started selling a few weeks ago of our friends at La Noisette, Dave and Tabitha. We get deliveries every Thursday. This is an everything bagel, and what I'm gonna be putting on here is Canada Smoked Fish Company, and I'm using the apple smoked. We have a vodka smoked as well as we have an actual salmon gravlax. I like the apple smoke, but we're gonna start off, we're just gonna toast these amazing bagels right into our cast. That's gonna take a couple minutes there. We don't need a lot. We're just gonna really flip it over and we get a little bit of a brown. Then this stuff is fairly easy to work with. It's thinly sliced and it is smoked. So you gotta just kind of play with it. And that is how, like, our stuff is awesome. And from frozen, sit under some water, and this here is good to go in about 5-10 minutes. See how it just peels back. I like a lot of salmon on my bagels. What the hell? One more. Save that for a snack. It's coming. Just gonna flip that over. Give that side a little bit of love. A little bit of cream cheese. Now, I like red onion and capers. Those are delicious. Brininess of them, salty. And you don't need many red onions, just a few to sprinkle on there. That's about it. Perfect. Now we're just gonna quickly assemble this. Don't need a lot of toast on there, but we do need a nice layer of cream cheese. We stack it up high. Layer on some red onions. Put that there for a second and warm up. Throw on a few capers. I press them right into the cream cheese so they're not going anywhere. No stems. There we go. That's what it looks like there. You put that together. And now for the shot we're all waiting for. A few layers in there. This is a simple, fast snack. I love it. I make these all the time. Let's dig in. Man. Capers, that little bite of red onion, and of course, our beautifully smoked salmon. Anyways, we have these products available in the store. Bagels from La Noisette out of London. And then we have the Canada Smoke Company. I'm gonna dig into the rest of this, so come on in. We have these available at the farmer's market where we can be seen every Saturday from 7 o'clock in the morning till 12 at noon, or 6 days a week here at the store, closed Mondays. And remember, we're here to make your meals hook, line, and simple.